In this tutorial, I will show you step by step the after engine start procedure, and we have to complete this check before we start taxiing to the active runway. So let's get started. As soon as we got the 4 engines started and stabilized at idle, we go to our start panel and position the start selector to off and turn the master switch to off. Turn off the engine and the ICE switches. Brake fans set to auto. Now we turn the hydraulic engine 2 and 3 pumps to on. Then we check the hydraulic pressure for 31,000 psi in both systems. Now we set the AC pump to auto and the PTU switch to on. Heaters switch set to on. Now we check our speeds. V1 134, V2 138, takeoff thrust 96.6% N1 and V dot 184. For the bleed air, I'm using APU air with no engine air, so all engine air set to off. APU air set to on. Packs set to on, and this complete the after engine start check. From startup to shutdown, YouTube channel provides you the best tutorials on how to operate airplanes on flight simulator game. If you like this video, subscribe and share to support this channel.